So today we'll start with the goods receipts. So before starting the good receipts, there are some prerequisites and mandatory steps are there. So that is nothing but your material activation. Okay. So this material activation in ECC it was not there. When it is HANA, it is they made as a mandatory step for activation, and then only you can create a goods receipts or goods movement transactions. So where this configurations, I'll just show you. Okay. So before creating Migo, that is nothing but your goods receipts. Okay. So now you can also call as a goods movement or transactions. Okay. So now before doing this, there are some few prerequisite activities steps are there. Okay. Now why it is goods movements why it is made as a mandatory steps before that. Now if you look here, PR is there, PO is there. Okay. So these transactions, if you look here, it is only MM related, no FI. Okay, no FI. Whereas here it is MM and also FI transactions will be updated. Okay, here only it is this is just a request. It is just a request, and here it is a legal document. Also, it's a legal document or a order. Okay, so here the actual material document and financial documents will be updated. Okay, so these two documents will be updated. So here when you're updating, there is something called as a valuations, and here accountings will be happen. Okay, so based on this stock. Okay, so that is nothing but your goods movement or transactions based on the stocks or movements or transactions. Okay. So now valuations and accounting entries will happen. So before that, there are configurations are required. Now I'll just show you first with the um, first doing with the transactions Migo. Okay, why it is necessary? I will show you that also. What error will come, even that you can also view that. Okay, so I'll let before starting that, I will directly go to the Migo and then we'll go with the prerequisites. Is that fine? Okay, so there are prerequisite steps are there. There is like OM, S2, OMS3, OMS1, and CK M start. Okay, there's a already I've showed you OMS2, which is already did. That is for your valuation purpose. Valuation, like valuation area. Okay, now here this is for your material type. Okay, so here material type, and then assignment. Here it will be activation. I'll show you when it's create. Let's go with the Migo first. Okay, so why are we doing Migo? Good receipts, good. So good receipts. So this is the transactions and this is the path. So SAP menu, logistics, material management, inventory management, goods movement, Migo. Okay. What was the our purchase order last time which we have created? ME 2N purchase organization 1 TPO.
Sarji, 1 second, Sarji.
Okay.
Scope of list, what is the scope of list? ELV?
That's all just for reporting purpose. Okay, scope of list is nothing but a for reporting purpose, ALB report. Okay, different types of reports it is. Grid control. Okay, so if the report, if you want a plain report, it comes with a without like line. Example, I'm telling you, ALB it will be in like table wise. If you see a table wise, okay, so this is called as a ALB report. Now, if you look, if without this, the formats, different types of format actually.
Oh,
Okay, so scope of list. So if you want, you can select as per requirement. Now we are not selecting anything. It is so just leave it as it is. So just give purchase or receipt. This is for just a reporting screen. Okay, so you can use it multiple things. Like if you want to pull the report based on your supplier, then you can give a supplier. If you don't want, you just give your with your material. Then you can give it with your material. So as per requirement wise, you can modify all these things and you can filter it also. Okay. Now if you give execute, now if you see this is the ALV kind of report. You can see here, this is ALV report. Okay. So here reports change layouts all there. If you click, see these are the different types of layout, standard layout, basic layout. So these are all different things. So don't go for all this now as of now. Okay. You will come to know when you start using it.
okay.
Okay. So now after executing, see we have a two purchase order document which is created on 9th Jan 1. So this document you can take it. Okay. Give your purchase order, yeah, number. And this for this good movements, always for good receipts, it will be a 101. There are the different good movements will be there as per your requirement purpose. Okay. Now 101 is a standard for a good receipts from the vendor. Okay. So no need to change here. I'm just telling you 101 and enter. Now, if you see here, details are already filled here. So here vendor also picked. Okay. So what you have to do, amount, quantity. Okay, quantity, purchase order. Okay. Now for this, what you have to do, you have to check this item okay. After verification, just before creating a purchase order, you have to check this item okay. Okay. If you have a multiple line items, you can go through one by one items. Next, and you can select and you can check. Okay. Now we have only one item, so we can checking as a one line item. If you have more than line items, like multiple items, then you can check it. Okay, so as you know, this is the top one is like header data, item level, and this is the item overview, each item wise. Now we have only one. So just check this and check if you have any errors here. Okay. So now when you check, this is a posting possible in periods 2025 11 and 2025 10 in company code. Okay, so there is a something error it is coming finance part. So that is nothing but your posting period. If you look here, postings only possible in periods 25 11 25 10 in company code. Okay, so if you look here, check the posting date and correct if it is necessary. Posting shifting period and closing process has not been completed, so you have to go for, I'll just take down this first. Go for MMPV. Okay, give your company code ITC, yes, ITCS, one TCS, sorry, and then first check this what company code it is they're using. Miss posting period, OMSY. Okay, OMSY to see it is. See, there are two types of posting periods are there. One is for a five part and one is for the material management. See, this is for material management part. Go to position,
Sir, OMS T code for?
OMSY. OMSY. It is for the
Uh,
company code material manage in the company code view for a what is it? In see, I'll just tell you. So this for valuation purpose, there's also a fiscal years are there. Fiscal year or periods are maintained. Okay. So if you look here for finance part also, there's a fiscal year which is maintained in OB 52. OB 52 posting period. Yes. And here it is OMSY. Okay. So this is for MM and this is for FI. Okay. Now it is showing as a it is period is not open. So what we have to do, we have to check the period and we have to open it. If you go here, go to the company code 1TC. Yes. Okay. If you look here, so it is what it is showing 202511. That means now it is what is currently here 2026. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to close this. How we have to close? We have to go for MMPV. Okay. MMPV is to close the period. Okay. Now if you want to see also in material also, you can go and check. Before that, I'll just show you the material also. MM02. MM02. What material you are using it? What material you are using? 1 TSS raw material steel. Steel. Now if you look here, now it will shows one error here. Can you see here? Material ledger must be set productive for valuation area. Okay. So this is the area where without this configurations, you cannot create a material and a goods movement. Okay. So last time we created material, but we was not maintain OMS two step. Okay. I'll just show you if possible. So it is asking plant because valuation type it is asking. We have to give your we have to mandatory, we have to activate the valuation method. Okay, so even if you try to go from here, it is asking plant. Okay, so previously why it was not asking? If you look here, OMS two step. OMS two. Here, raw material. Select, double click. Remember this step, material type what we activated? Bala and Rahul for this step. Okay. Have you remember this? We're activating. Hello.
Yes, we are remove that. Written one.
Okay. So now see, I'm just removing and trying it once more. I'm just going back. Let me try here. See, it went now. If you see here, after removing this, now it is allowed. Okay. Now to see here,
So that
current
that
period.
time that one second, sir. That time you told
Sorry.
na that is mandatory.
Mandatory. So
That
now
time
I'm
you
just
told na.
showing. Now I'm just showing to
Okay, okay.
this current period one, just to enter and to just to show, because it was not allowing you, right?
Yes.
It was not allowing you to go here. This screen, this tab, accounting tab. For
Okay.
because of that, you have to just. I'm just removing this for temporary, just to view this screen. Okay.
Okay.
Now see here, after coming in this, it previously it was not allowing you to come here, this active accounting one. Now it is allowed.
Okay.
Now after coming here, see, you can see the 11 period. Which period it is? Current period. It is showing.
11.
It is the current period. 11 period. 11 period is nothing but your November period, right? Now which is period it is? January. December is over, January it is, right? So obviously the material will not posted to the material will not post to will not post to 11. It will we have to close this. You have to close 11 month, 12, and now 01. Okay, now this you have to close, 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 and then this should be in open status. Then only you can able to post the document. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now you what you're doing? You are in current period 11 1, but system showing as a uh, 11 is a open period, and you're trying to post in this. So that's the reason it is showing error. Okay. Now here also 11 for your just for confirmation. I'm just showing here. And same way, if you go for OMSY, give your position, company code. Here also what it is showing, current period it is 11. Okay.
Okay.
So previous period was 10, current period is 11. Now we have to switch it to 1, and here it should be 12. Now, how do you do that? For that, you have to go for OMMPV. Give your company code, give the period. What's the period it was showing? 11. Now, if you give a 10, if you give your 2005, okay, close period only, check and close. Okay. Now, if you click here, check and close, execute. The specific year 2025 is not the current calendar year. Okay. So just enter what it is showing.
Sorry, period. Sir, 1 second, sir. Period
Yeah.
10 means
10 it is October
period
1.
10.
I'm just October.
Oh, oh, oh.
So incorrect period in control of the company code, no conversion, no conversion. If you see here, no conversion because this is already closed. So that's the reason it is showing no conversion. The current period of the control record is showing is 11. So you have to do it for 11. Period closing complete, log issue. Go back, give your 11, 11, execute. Okay, enter. Check and close period 11. Incorrect period is control, no conversion for this. Current period is 11. Current period is 11. Now go back once again, give the 12, execute. See here, now it is converted. The period entered is the 12. It is open. Will you able to post now document?
No.
No, right. So now because you have to go back again, you have to give 0, 1 for a current period and give your 6. If you give 1, 5, it will shows an error or it will be not possible because it's already no conversions. So give 6, execute. Okay. Now check and close the period. 12 is the period, enter is the 1, 226, it's converted. Now go back, check for OMSY position. See what it is showing, 1. Okay, if you look here. Now same way if you look for material, material, go for the plant, sorry, accounting document. So if you look, current period also it's updated. Okay, now
Okay.
same way, price determination, material ledger activation. If you see here, you can see here price determination and material ledger activation. This is in the what is it? Only display mode. So you cannot do it anything here, right? So this, once you
Yes.
activate the material ledger, these fields will be activated. Okay, so just for your information, I'm just showing you these fields. So once we show this field, so you'll come to know what is affected after the changes of material ledger, material activation. Now go back to material and check now. Okay, so now it is that error is gone. Okay, that error is gone. Now different error it is now. If you look here, T156SY does not exist in the B. Let's take down this. Okay, this table. So now what is this table? Go for SC16 if you want to check what is the data content. SC16. Any table related things you can check in SC16. Okay, what is this? What it is showing? Activate value and the quantity updating. Okay, so what is the error showing? We have removed from here, right? We have removed
Yes, material.
quantity and value updating. So this is what the error it is showing here.
Yes.
Okay, so this once you resolve, this will go. So so I want you to at least finish this till here. I'll show you tomorrow this posting because 3 more steps are there. 1, 2, 3, then another 4. 4 steps are there, and then again one more error might come because of the number ranges. So those steps also have to cover. So at least if you finish till here, then we can go for the GL account posting. Okay. So let me stop.
Okay.